Hey Queens, y'all know I'm not big on novelty pieces, especially when we start talking about handbags, but I just got something out of curiosity from this brand right here. So I thought I would go ahead and unbox it with you guys. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But guys, this is not going to be long at all because I'm going to get right into it. So I don't know, I'm saying I know, but I really don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, JWP or Pay. I don't know how you pronounce. I want to say Pay, but I don't know if that's Pay or P. But anyway, in any case, this particular brand is all over Amazon. They make some really cute leather handbags and shoes, more conventional and stylish, I should say chic. This is definitely a novelty piece, and I'm not sure if I would ever carry something like this, but I was just really curious about what it would look and feel like in person. So I decided to go ahead and get it. So first impressions, and I haven't opened it up except to take it out of what it was mailed in, but it did come in this box, which I think the packaging is really nice, but I think they could have done a better job of packaging the packaging because it was not shipped in a box. It was shipped in this. So, the boxes are all dented up and everything. So that kind of takes away from the experience. I feel like if they're going to take the time and effort to package something like this and put it in a nice box, they should protect the box. But that's just me. Otherwise, they could have just put it in a bag. But this is a really nice box. If it would have come in perfect condition, I would have been super impressed. But it is a nice box. The quality is really nice. So this is what it looks like when you get into it. Nice dust bag. So it feels like the dust bags that come with Coach retail bags, just a little thinner, if that makes sense. A little thinner and maybe a tad silkier. This feels more like silk than the Coach bag, and it is a little thinner. But anyway, and then it has just a drawstring on here. But I saw this. I didn't even see this on Amazon. Like I said, this brand is on Amazon, and I've got quite a few of their pieces in my cart and had just never bought anything. And the pieces that I had in my cart were actually shoes. They really make some nice stuff. But I saw this bag on Facebook and it just intrigued me because it was so different. So let me go ahead and pull it out of the dust bag and just show y'all what this is. Y'all look at this. So this is, I don't think this little slip is in here. It has a tag on it. It may be a tag on the inside. I forget what they call this, but this is obviously a dog. So I guess that's supposed to be the little tongue or whatever. So I just thought this was interesting, and I just wanted to see what it looked and felt like in person. Now, I don't know that I'm keeping this. I don't even know if I would wear something like this, but it was just really interesting to me, so I had to see it for myself. So let me open it up. I'm going to leave all the stuff on here, like I said, because I don't know what I'm going to do with this bag. The tag is in here, so let me pull the tag out and see what they call this. And it doesn't have the name on it. It just has the serial number and the brand. And I'm going to take the stuffing out just so we can get on the inside so y'all can really see what's going on in here. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, but it definitely has enough room. I mean, it's a nice size. So it's a like a felt interior. So y'all can see how the inside is made. So it'll definitely fit a phone and a few other things, no problem. You see there's a little branding on the brand tag right there. This is just the detachable long strap. And I'm not going to unroll this or take it out of the wrapping because, again, I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. So now that we've seen the inside, let me just stuff this back real quick so that I can zip it up and then we can look at the outside. All right, little doggy. So we go ahead and zip her back up. And I'm gonna stick this tag back in here just like it came. So here we are, guys. And this came in 2 colors. So there was another one. The other one was like, this part I think was like a cognac color. But this is what she looks like. Look at the bottom. So I was gonna say she doesn't have feet, but technically she does have feet. I mean, and so I guess if you were carrying it top handle, so you would have to, if you were carrying this top handle, you would have to make sure that there was something in the back to kind of balance the weight, because of the way this head is, it would probably have the tendency to lean forward like I was doing right now, and that looks kind of weird to me. You would definitely want to make sure that the weight is distributed in such a way that it would keep that from happening, or just wear it as a crossbody. But I don't know how this would look even if I was into something like this. I don't really see myself doing a crossbody on this at all. Now this material, I don't think this is real leather. It's probably polyurethane. If I had to guess, I would say it was polyurethane. Definitely these aren't leather. And I know this isn't leather. So yeah, I would think this whole bag is probably PU, including the strap. But the hardware is gold. And you can see the zipper goes all the way down her back. And I'm not gonna take this is not blue. This is just like the tape that they have on here. But there is branding on these D-rings. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up, but there's branding on the D-rings. And then as you can see, so she has some of her hair or fur, whatever you want to call it, is gray. And then you have the white and gray mixed in on top, and here on her back on the sides, and then just her little pink tongue, and that is it. So that's all I have for you today, guys. What do y'all think about this? This is not something that I would wear. I don't know if I'm going to keep it just to put stuff in it and maybe sit it somewhere, or if I'm going to send this back. I'm going to give myself a week to decide what I'm going to do. Well, no, not that long, because I don't really know what their return policy is, and I need to look that up and see. This just came today, though. So I'm going to give myself, today is Saturday, I'm going to give myself until Tuesday or Wednesday to decide what I'm going to do with this. And until then, I guess I'm going to just have it sitting out just so that I can look at it. But I thought this was interesting, and it's one of those things that's so ugly that's cute, if y'all know what I mean. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.